Tired of being muted and unheard in your online meetings and game sessions? Let's fix that. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through enabling your microphone in Windows 11 step by simple step so you can communicate clearly. First, click on the Start button in the search bar, type Sound Settings. Now, select Sound Settings from the search results. This will open the Sound Settings window. Scroll down to find the Input section. Here, you should see your microphone listed under Choose a device for input. If you don't see your microphone, make sure it's properly connected to your computer. Click on your microphone device on the next screen, find the Allow Access to the microphone toggle and ensure it's switched to the On position. If it's off, Windows might be blocking your microphone's access. While you're here, you can also adjust your microphone's volume using the Input Volume slider to make sure your audio is at the right level. Below the microphone settings, you'll find a list of installed apps. Make sure the toggle next to the apps you want to use your microphone with is also turned on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your microphone in Windows 11. Now you can enjoy clear communication in your voice chats, recordings, and video conferences.